What's wrong with this picture? It's clear at first glance that the people don't seem to belong together in this scene. But why is it all going wrong, and how can we fix it? The answer lies in the horizon. If you're standing on top of a mountain and look straight out, your eye line will always be on the horizon. If you're standing at sea level, your eye line will still be on the horizon. And even if you're sitting on a beach, your eye line will still be on the horizon. Wherever you stand, if you look straight forwards, you'll look at the horizon. So if we go back to our original image, we'll hide the people, and if we add vanishing lines going along the bottoms and the tops of these columns, which we know are going to be horizontal in real life, where they meet is the horizon. So we'll bring our people back, and to make them look like they belong here, we just move them until their eye lines are on that horizon line. And now they all look like they truly belong in this scene. If you want to move someone forwards or back in the scene, just select them, go into Free Transform, and hold Option or Alt as you click on their eyes, now in the right place. That sets a marker at that point, so when you hold Option or Alt as you drag a corner handle, it'll scale towards that marker, and we can move them backwards and forwards in the scene. Their eyes stay on the horizon line, it's only their feet that move, and that's what makes all these people look like they belong in the same place. Of course, if one character is taller than the rest, then we can just move him up above that horizon. If you've enjoyed the tutorial, please subscribe to this channel.